Hey guys, the brand sent me this mini mouse for free so I can check it out and create this video. I wanted to show you how easy it is to use and how well it works. Now to use it, it's real simple. You're simply going to open up, stick in a AAA battery. Now once the battery's in there, you're just going to close it up, snaps into place. And then you're just going to pull out this USB connector over here and plug it into your computer. Okay, once it's plugged in, you're just going to turn it on. And there you go. You're going to see here how well it's working, moving around with no wires. So it's very small, it's lightweight, it's easy to use if you have kids that want to plug into their laptop or tablet device. It works great. It's very responsive. The buttons are easy to press and responsive as well. And I would definitely recommend this for anyone who wants a tiny little mouse that's easy to use, works great, and easy to connect.